The Complete Works of William Shakespeare by William Shakespeare. Act V, Scene 5. The palace enter trumpets, sounding. Then 2 aldermen, Lord Mayor, Garter, Cranmer, Duke of Norfolk, with his marshal's staff, Duke of Suffolk, 2 noblemen bearing great standing bowls for the christening gifts, then 4 noblemen bearing a canopy, under which the Duchess of Norfolk, godmother, bearing the child richly habited in a mantle, etc., train borne by a lady. Then follows the Marchioness Dorset, the other godmother, and ladies. The troop pass once about the stage, and Garter speaks. Garter. Heaven, from thy endless goodness, send prosperous life, long and ever happy, to the high and mighty Princess of England, Elizabeth. Flourish. Enter King and Guard Cranmer. Kneeling, and to your royal grace and the good Queen. My noble partners and myself thus pray, all comfort, joy, in this most gracious lady, heaven ever laid up to make parents happy, may hourly fall upon ye. King. Thank you, good Lord Archbishop. What is her name? Cranmer. Elizabeth. King. Stand up, Lord. The King kisses the child. With this kiss take my blessing, God protect thee. Into whose hand I give thy life. Cranmer. Amen. King. My noble gossips, why have been too prodigal? I thank ye heartily. So shall this lady, when she has so much English. Cranmer. Let me speak, sir, for heaven now bids me, and the words I utter let none think flattery, for they'll find truth. This royal infant heaven still move about her, though in her cradle, yet now promises upon this land 1,000 blessings, which time shall bring to ripeness. She shall be but few now living can behold that goodness a pattern to all princes living with her, and all that shall succeed. Saba was never more covetous of wisdom and fair virtue than this pure soul shall be. All princely graces that mold up such a mighty piece as this is, with all the virtues that attend the good, shall still be doubled on her. Truth shall nurse her, holy and heavenly thoughts still counsel her, she shall be loved and feared. Her own shall bless her, her foes shake like a field of beaten corn, and hang their heads with sorrow. Good grows with her. In her days every man shall eat in safety under his own vine what he plants, and sing the merry songs of peace to all his neighbors. God shall be truly known, and those about her from her shall read the perfect ways of honor, and by those claim their greatness, not by blood. Nor shall this peace sleep with her, but as when the bird of wonder dies, the maiden phoenix her ashes new create another heir as great in admiration as herself, so shall she leave her blessedness to one when heaven shall call her from this cloud of darkness, who from the sacred ashes of her honor shall star-like rise, as great in fame as she was, and so stand fixed. Peace, plenty, love, truth, terror, that were the servants to this chosen infant, shall then be his, and like a vine grow to him. Wherever the bright sun of heaven shall shine, his honor and the greatness of his name shall be, and make new nations. He shall flourish, and like a mountain cedar reach his branches to all the plains about him. Our children's children shall see this and bless heaven. King. Thou speakest wonders. Cranmer. She shall be, to the happiness of England, an aged princess. Many days shall see her, and yet no day without a deed to crown it. Would I had known no more! But she must die, she must, the saints must have her yet a virgin. A most unspotted lily shall she pass to th ground, and all the world shall mourn her. King. O Lord Archbishop, thou hast made me now a man. Never before this happy child did I get anything. This oracle of comfort has so pleased me that when I am in heaven I shall desire to see what this child does, and praise my Maker. I thank ye all. To you, my good Lord Mayor, and you, good brethren, I am much beholding. I have received much honor by your presence, and ye shall find me thankful. Lead the way, lords, ye must all see the Queen, and she must thank ye, she will be sick else. This day, no man think has business at his house, for all shall stay. This little one shall make it holiday. Exeunt King Henry VIII. Epilogue. The Epilogue. 'Tis 10 to 1 this play can never please all that are here. Some come to take their ease and sleep an act or two, but those, we fear, wave fright with our trumpets. So, 'tis clear they'll say 'tis not, others to hear the city oblues extremely, and to cry that's witty. Which we have not done neither, that, I fear, all the expected good WR like to hear for this play at this time is only in the merciful construction of good women, for such a one we showed 'em. If they smile and say 'twill do, I know within a while all the best men are ours, for 'tis ill hap if they hold when their ladies bid 'em clap.